Hi everybody, welcome today to Gagajoy's Cooking. I'm pre-set things up. We're going to make barbecued, lollipop barbecued chicken legs. And it's very easy to make. I cut the bottom part of the leg off like that and pushed the meat up to the top like that and made it like a little barbecued leg. See, and there's your barbecued leg, or the beginning of the barbecued leg. And for the dry rub, I made up, it's a tablespoon of, it's a tablespoon of sage, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of rosemary, and a tablespoon of thyme. Of course, it won't take all that, but I had to mix them up at the same time. I put it on this little sheet, parchment sheet. Now I'm going this is just a dry rub. I'm just going to rub it on all around it, each one. And then I've got my oven preheating to 375. It'll go in the oven to 375. And when it comes out, then we'll put our barbecue sauce on. I guess you could do this on your outside grill. The only thing is the spice, I believe, would be a little bit hard to do, but I'm sure you can with the wet spice. And you know, you go to someplace to eat, they always have breast, and kids love legs. So I was thinking about that one day, and I thought, well, I think I'm going to come up with a way that kids would enjoy the legs. So this is my way, and it seems to have really worked. I know it's going to smell good cooking, that's for sure. Well, I thought maybe it's making up that's too much of the dry mix, but it looks like it's sort of just going to take it off, which is good. I don't have to worry about putting it in a bottle some way. Okay, now that's our chicken so far, and we'll stick it in a 375 degree oven for 45 minutes. Well, I took our popsicle chicken, not popsicle, lollipop chicken out of the oven, and I'm putting some barbecue sauce on it, and I'm going to do it about every 5 minutes for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Just so it gets plenty of good barbecue sauce all the way through it. I turned it over one time, but I'm not going to, next time I'll turn it over the other way. So back it goes for 5 minutes. Or 10 minutes, we'll make it 10 minutes. Well, I just took them out of the oven, and I tasted one right here, and it's delicious. So I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro on them. And we're going to eat them this evening. Well, we've had another good day. My house kitchen smells wonderful with the barbecue sauce. Have a good day. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.